Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a decal from the painted surface on your car. Typically decals will come off fairly easily if they're new. You can just peel on them with your fingernail and you can start pulling on them and they'll come off. But if you have an old decal, then you're going to want to use a hair dryer and heat up the surface and then start peeling on it with your fingernail, and then when it starts to be real brittle and break off in small pieces again, then you're going to want to heat it back up and just keep doing that until you got the whole decal off. This one's fairly new, so I'm not going to need a heat gun. I'm just going to use my fingernail and peel back on it, and then once we get that off, I'll show you guys how to get the residue off of the glue for the decal. Alright, once you get to this point, you're going to want to make sure that the area around where your decal or sticker was is fairly clean. You might want to clean it with some soap and water and then let it dry. And the reason is for that is that when we're wiping off this adhesive, we don't want to take any grime and dig it into the paint. So once you have the surface area here clean and it's dried off, then we're going to want to take some mineral spirits. And you can get that at any hardware store or automotive store, or you can even get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get this stuff. And then you just want to take a paper towel and just put it on the end and tip it, and then let it soak in to the paper towel, and then just rub on the adhesive. And it takes it right off. And if it stops working, then you can fold it over, and if the inside's wet, then you can use the inside or just reapply more mineral spirits. And then it's all clean. And that's it guys, that's how you remove a decal. Thanks for watching.